Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn passing arguments to event handlers in ReactJS. Earlier session, we have seen that how to handle that events. Now, I will write simple things to pass an arguments to event handlers. Inside a loop, it is a common to want to pass an extra parameter to an event handler. Such a times id is the row id. Either of the following what I am writing here, that example it may works to write such a functionalities. Okay, the button, see the button on click that equal to that argument of e implies this dot delete row, this dot delete row of passing the parameters of id with that event. Displaying text is delete this row. This is a button. I will expand this. Now he see here. Okay, same thing if I return here on click. Without implication of this here, I remove this dot delete row dot bind the default function, and instead of this id the delete row button. Okay, the above two lines what we have written here are equivalent and use arrow functions and function.prototype bind respectively. In both cases, the e what is the represented here argument representing the React event will be passed second argument after the id. With an arrow function we have to pass it explicitly, but with bind any further arguments are automatically forwarded for actions. That's all, very much simple for passing arguments to event handlers. I hope you better understanding to write a simple techniques. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.